Hey Dana, I wanted to show you the morning ritual of how insane Hoover is about his food. So see, here he is like making a mad run for the kitchen, and he probably has to pee because he's been inside all night. Hoover, go back, wait in your spot, back. Good boy. This is a good boy. Alright, I'm not sure if this is going to work. Alright, so then I have to go get his food. While he sits there, you stay. And he starts to freak out. So I come back here and I get his food. And he's still doing good, I think. Oh, and here comes the cat. Just to taunt him, because she knows he's not supposed to move while he's doing this. And that pisses him off, which is kind of funny. Alright, then I put his food down, but he's not allowed to get it yet, because I have to get him his Benadryl. Look at his tail. It totally cracks me up. This is so funny. I love that you get to witness this, because look, he's so focused on the food. And sometimes he'll look at me and move his mouth, like he wants his Benadryl so he can hurry up and go eat his food. Oh, there it goes. Alright, now I have to do the pill thing. It's going to be tricky with the camera. Here. Hey, Hoof, come here. Okay, fine. Okay. And then he's off to the races for the food, which is pretty damn funny. Hoover, say hi to Dana. Hoof, hey. Hoover. Not much can distract him from the food. It's pretty funny. He kills me. Hoover. Who's a good boy?